Good day, I bid to my respective advanced database programming lecturer, Dr. Ashikin, and to all my fellow peers. Today, my group members and I will be presenting about our project entitled Tuition Center Management System, which is called the Xcell Academy Center. So, this presentation outlines the development of a tuition center management system designed to streamline administrative operations for educational centers in Malacca. Built using Oracle Apex, the system aims to replace traditional manual methods with a digital solution, enhancing efficiency and organization.
For project background, many tuition centers in Malacca are still relying on manual record keeping. This causes a lot of inefficiencies when it comes to managing student enrollment, tracking attendance, and handling payments. Our system focuses specifically on upper primary students, especially those who are preparing for school exams in school like SK St. Francis and SK Bandahile. Next, a problem statement. Traditional methods are time consuming and they are prone to human error. They don't support real-time tracking of student progress and are not effective for managing different school syllabus. To overcome these challenges, we need a digital solution that can streamline operation and improve the overall management of tuition centers.
I will introduce the group members in our team. First and foremost, that's me. My name is Hing Hui Jin. Next, we have Muhammad Taufik. On the other hand, we have Ishilmi and also Siti Shaslinda. All of us contributed to this project from square one until the end. This is the proposed solution and module. So the Tuition Center system application is developed with Oracle Apex and it is a web-based solution and aims to reduce administrative workload and improve communication. First of all, we have student management where admins can add, update, and view student profiles, including filtering by their school names. And then we have class management, where admins can create and organize classes by subject, day, time, and year, linking to a teacher. And teacher can also view their schedules based on the admin's creation. Then we have enrollment management, where students are enrolled by admin in classes to track history and manage relationships efficiently. Then payment trackings is for record tuition payments, monitor outstanding balances, and also generate reports. For attendance module, admins and teachers can log daily attendance based on classes, monitor trends, and generate absence reports. For teacher directory, to maintain teacher profiles and assign them to classes. Last but not least, we have admin panel where they have full control to the system.
Now I will present the selected dataset and its characteristic used in our project. Our system is designed based on the real-world functional requirements of a tuition center, and the data models were created using Oracle Apex. We structured our data using relational tables, each with specific role to support the system functionality. Let's go through the tables one by one. First, we have the student table. This table stores all personal details of students, including their school name, IC number, contact information, and their photo. Next is the teacher table, which contains the teacher's contact information and photos. Each teacher is linked to one or more classes. The class table records the subject, day, time, and year for each class, and is linked to the corresponding teacher who teach the class. Then we have the enrollment table. This links students to classes, and it also includes the enrollment date to track when each student joined the specific class. The payment table keeps the track of all payment details. It includes the payment amount, date, type, whether it's cash or bank transfer, etc., and the payment status. This attendance table is used to record which students attended which class on specific dates. This helps with monitoring student participation. Finally, the admin table stores the administrator login credential and system access details to ensure only authorized users can manage the system. Together, these tables form the foundation of our tuition center management system, enabling smooth operations from student enrollment to attendance and payment tracking. These structured datasets also make it easier to maintain data integrity, apply queries, and generate reports for decision making.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izilmi bin Syasubhari. So next I would like to present you about the entity relationship diagram and the business rule. So in our system have 7 tables, which is first student, and the attribute is the student ID, name, gender, date of birth, phone number, email, IC number, school name, address, city, state, postcode, picture, file name, bin type, and image last update. And we also have an admin table, which is the attribute is the primary key is admin ID, username, first name, and last name. Next is the attendance. Have the primary key attendance ID, the foreign key which student ID, class ID, and the attribute attendance date and attendance status. The fourth table is the enrollment, and the primary key is the enroll ID. The foreign key is student ID and class ID, and has the attribute enroll ID, enroll date. Next, we go to the payment table. It has payment ID, enroll ID, amount, status, payment date, payment type, and also decision. And second last is the class. The primary key with class ID, subject name, standard, day, time, year, and the foreign key is the teacher ID. And lastly is the teacher table, which is primary key is the teacher ID, name, phone number, email, and also picture. So I will explain the business rule, which is first one, student relationship with the enrollment, which is one student can enroll in many class, and each enrollment belongs to one and only one class. Second, class and enrollment. One class can have many students, and each enrollment refer to one class. Third, enrollment and payment. One enrollment can have many payment. Each payment belongs to one enrollment. Fourth, student and the attendance. One student can have many attendance record, and each record belongs to one student. Fifth, class and attendance. So one class can have many attendance record, and each record belongs to one class. And next is the teacher and class. One teacher can teach many classes, and each class must be taught by one teacher. And next, 7, student and payment. Payment are indirectly linked to the student through enrollment. And lastly, subject and class. Each class has one subject name, and which can be repeated across the classes. So these are our entity relationship diagram and business rule for our system.
Oracle Apex implementation. For this project, we use Oracle Apex, which is a cloud-based low-code development platform. One of the main reasons we chose Apex was because it allows rapid application development and it's very user-friendly. Everything from database tables and relationship to the user interfaces was created directly within the Apex workspace, making the development process smooth and efficient. Core table and schema design. The system consists of 7 core tables, which is student, teacher, class, enrollment, payment, attendance, and admin. Each of these tables was carefully designed with the right data types and constraints to make sure the data remains accurate and consistent. We also applied business rules directly into the scheme to help maintain integrity and proper relationship across all entities.
Next, I will walk you through the key functional requirements of our system. This represents the core features and actions that users can perform depending on their roles. First, we start with authentication and authorization. This system ensures that only authorized users, which are admins, students, and teachers, can access it. Login credentials are used and access is controlled based on user roles. Second, we have student management. Admins have the ability to add, update, and delete student records. This includes managing personal information and assigning unique usernames for each student. Next is teacher management. Admins can manage all teacher-related records. such as contact details and their profile photos, which are later linked to class information. Class management allows admins to create, update, and delete classes. Each class is linked to a subject, schedule, and the teacher. With enrollment management, students can enroll in available classes. The system ensures enrollments are correctly linked and prevent duplicate entries. Payment management enables admins to handle payment records. This includes recording the amount paid, payment status, the type of payment, and the date it was made. Attendance tracking is handled by both teachers and admins. They can record attendance for each student, including the date, class, and the attendance status. Finally, we have reporting and viewing. Different users have access to different types of reports. Admins can view dashboards and payment reports, while students can check their class schedules and payment status. Together, these functionalities ensure that the system supports the daily operations of a tuition center efficiently and securely.
In conclusion, the tuition center management system built with the Oracle Apex successfully addressed the challenges of manual processes in tuition center. It provides comprehensive feature for managing student class attendance, enrollment, payment, and also teacher information within all the secure and admin-only environment. This project highlights how low-code platform can streamline educational administration, enabling real-time data tracking, reducing human error, and improving operational efficiency. The relation database design ensure the data integrity, while custom PL/SQL function enforce strict authorization protocols. Ultimately, this implementation demonstrates the feasibility and impact of digital transformation for small and medium-sized tuition center, offering this scalable, maintainable, and user-friendly application for efficient daily operation and informed decision making. That's all. Thank you.